Acts chapter 20. After the wahala for Ephesus, Paul sent for the disciples, and after he encouraged them, he tell them bye-bye, come comot there go Macedonia. After he waka around the area, he encouraged the believers wey dey there come go Greece. He stay for there for 3 months because Jew people dey plan to wait make dem catch am. As he wan enter ship go Syria, he come go back through Macedonia. People wey follow Paul go na Sopater wey be Phrygos pikin wey come from Berea, Aristarchus and Secundus wey come from Thessalonica, Gaius from Derbe, Timothy with Tychicus and Trophimus wey come from Asia. All these people don go for front go wait us for Troas. We enter ship from Philippi after the Passover feast, and after 5 days we meet them for Troas, come stay there for 7 days. For the first day for the week, when we all meeting to break bread together, Paul come start to talk with the people, and because he wan go the next day, he come preach till midnight. For the room for upstairs where we for dey meet, lamp many for there. One boy wey dem dey call Eutychus sit down for the window come dey sleep as Paul dey preach. The sleep carry am go, so he fall from the 3 story, and when dem rush go carry am, dem see say he don die. But Paul go down, lie down on top the boy, come put him hand round am say,
"Make una no worry, because he still dey alive."
Then Paul go upstairs, and after he don break bread with them, he follow them talk till daybreak. Then he come comot from there. Dem take the boy go house, come dey happy say he dey alive. We waka go where the ship dey, come go Assos, so that we go carry Paul for there, because he plan say he go pass land go there. When he meet us for Assos, we carry am for the ship come go Mytilene. From there, we move, and the next day we come reach Miletus. Paul don say he go travel past Ephesus make he for not spend time for Asia, because he dey hurry make he for quick reach Jerusalem for Pentecost day. From Miletus, he send messenger go Ephesus say make the elders wey dey the church come meet am there. When they come, he tell them,
All of una know how I dey live my life since the time wey I dey with una, and from the first day wey I enter Asia. How I no dey carry body up as I dey serve Jesus with pain and wahala wey I dey face because of wicked plan wey Jew people get for me. Una know say I no stop to dey tell una anything wey go help una, and I teach una for public and for una house. I dey preach give Jew and Greek people say make dem turn from sin come mix and serve God and put their faith for our Oga Jesus Christ. Now, the Spirit dey lead me go Jerusalem, even though I no know wetin go happen to me for there, except say the Holy Spirit dey warn me say from town to town na prison and suffer dey wait for me. But I no count my life to mean anything, so that I go fit finish my work and the ministry wey I receive from Jesus Christ, wey be to preach about the good news wey go make people understand God's grace. Now, I know say none of una wey I preach God kingdom give go see me again. So, I wan tell una now say nobody blood dey for my head, because I no hide anything from una as I dey tell una about God plan. Make una take care of una self and all the people wey the Holy Spirit don put under una, because na una be the leaders for God church wey he buy with him only pikin blood. I know say after I don go, wicked people with bad mind go come join una, people wey no go sorry for the sheep. Even among una, some men go stand dey teach lie things come draw people follow body. So make una shine una eye and remember say for day and night for 3 years, I no stop to dey cry as I dey warn una. Now, I leave una for God hand, so make him word wey get grace keep una. This word wey get grace fit make una grow and get share with all God people. Since una know me, I no put eye for anybody gold, silver or coat. Una know say na this my hand I take dey work and get everything wey I want, and even dey help people wey dey with me. Like this, I don show una say we must help other people wey weak, and una remember wetin Jesus Christ talk when he say e better make person dey give people things than make e dey collect from them.
When he talk all these things finish, he kneel down with all of them come pray. All of them start to cry, as dem drop horn near body come dey kiss am. Wetin Paul talk come make dem weak because e say una no go see me again. So dem follow am go reach where the sheep dey.